It's nice in here, isn't it?
It is. It looks so much different compared to Britannia, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot larger.
Yeah.
But very nice.
It's got a little booth.
Yeah.
Edge, which is quite nice.
Feels quite private, so that's good. We've just been given everything, aren't we, right now? So we've just had this, which is a watermelon drink. I don't think I'm going to like that. But the bread, look at the bread. I wish I could show you the whole tray because it all looked amazing, but this is the whole meal version. Live taste test of the watermelon drink.
Oh, it's very watermelon-y.
Yeah, I'm not a fan. I saw it and it looks like the nice drink from M&S that you have.
Cranberry lemonade.
Yeah, oh, that would have gone down quite well. But unfortunately, no, not a fan.
Yeah, Dan was saying everything kind of came at once, didn't it?
Yeah.
It's really quick.
But we have ordered our Tattinger. So, yeah, it's exciting. So, cheers. You right there?
Yeah. Cheers.
That's the Tattinger Rosé. That's £47 a bottle. And it's the only thing we plan to buy this evening.
Yeah.
But we pre-booked the Epicurean. And
how much it costs?
no, but it's in the corner of the screen right now with the magic of editing. But yeah, definitely recommend it. It's normally a very good experience, and I'm sure Iona is going to be as well. So you shall see soon as we continue.
They did say when we came in, it's a 2.5 hour experience.
Yeah,
So it does take a while, but just tell your waiter if you have plans, they can kind of speed up the process.
yeah.
So,
Well, because we want to get to the clubhouse tonight to watch Guilty Pleasures.
yeah, which is in 2.5 hours exactly.
We need to see if they sing George's favourite song.
They go into 2.5 hours.
What's your favourite song?
It's not my favourite song at all. But P&O, we're never gonna give it up.
Yeah.
Let it down.
I think they get that song cheap or something to perform, so it's always on. Right, let's tuck in. So, Georgie, how was your 24-hour slow-cooked ox cheek in a bone canoe with parsley sponge and beef-flavoured mayonnaise?
Did you just read that out?
No?
It was really nice, as you can probably see by my plate. Although I'm not a fan of the bone canoe. I think it's very random.
No.
However, the in-laws dog would love that. And how was your...
Roasted red pepper parfait, goat's milk curd, sunlit blushed tomatoes, and a spinach and basil puree.
What's going on with your voice?
That was you.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, should I have gone? How was it?
So presented really well. It's really like you tried it, didn't you? It's quite strong. Like
It's very sweet,
the
isn't it?
peppery taste. Yeah, but it was nice. It was a nice lightish starter for the steaks that were on their way. Main has arrived. I'm going to disturb you.
I've kind of already deconstructed my plate, so it doesn't look as nice as when it came out.
No, but everyone's seen it.
Yeah, but it looks amazing, doesn't it?
It does, and the steak is yum.
I just like the side bit. I've gone for medium, you've gone for well done.
Yeah, and Georgie also wanted to try the mustards, so
French mustard, English.
verdict.
I prefer French mustard. English mustard's too strong for me. That's quite strong, but I prefer the French. It's just nice and subtle.
So we went for broccoli, potatoes, and spinach.
But because Dan didn't get any chips on his, I went for the thick cut chips. He has more room on his plate to put the veg on, whereas I don't. So I've got to eat some to clear some room first, and then I can have some sides.
How are those chips though? They look amazing.
They're really nice if you cut them. They're like really crispy on the outside, but like really soft and fluffy.
I'm getting
Inside.
Glasshouse vibes.
It is very similar, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Although they don't do that anymore.
Yeah, Glasshouse on here is very different.
Yeah.
I don't know if the menu's changed on all the ships, but there is the steak's gone.
Yeah, it's quite sad.
So, but this is as good as we've had.
Well, I think it is, but I can't really eat it right now because you keep filming me.
You can eat and I film.
Or eating and filming at the same time.
Hang on, we're going to wait to see if you eat.
I'll just chop mine up into small cubes.
All right, I'll leave you alone.
Okay.
So the desserts are here. Firstly, though, we had our pre-dessert, which was a raspberry sorbet. really nice.
It was really nice, yeah. It was really tangy as well. Wasn't
Yeah,
it?
nice little palate cleanser.
Yeah. And now the main dessert.
So how is your apple and juniper crumble?
It's really nice. It's going to sound so silly. Everything is apple-y, so I've got an apple sorbet and apple ice cream and just apple crumble.
Yeah, look at that little tower of crumble.
I want to know if I can eat this apple.
I think you can eat everything on the plate.
I might try that in a second. So yeah, there's a lot of apple on my plate, so it feels like I'm getting 5 a day. How about yours?
Oh, yum.
I just tried some of your meringue and it's really lemony, isn't it?
Yeah, we were a little bit worried because of the lavender that was mentioned, but like it tastes like a really nice lemon meringue.
Yeah. So it's kind of like the lemon curd is on a short crust biscuit,
Yeah.
and then you've got meringue on top.
Nearly done.
Undefeated.
So we have a coffee and a tea to finish off.
Yeah.
But wow, I don't know if we're going to be able to move.
I'm excited to take the suit off and just put like a comfy t-shirt on and a hoodie.
Yeah, we are going to head back out, but we're going to change suits because yeah, we just want to be comfortable.
I feel like because it's been 2 hours so far, 2 hours 15 minutes, it's a long time to sit in a suit and have dinner, so it's quite nice to relax afterwards. And it's not horse black tie, is it? Like the clubhouse.
No.
Or anything like that. So we're going to go and watch some entertainment, I think, this evening.
Yep.
Have you enjoyed your dinner up here?
I have, it's been really nice. It's definitely the best meal I've had on here for this trip so far.
Yeah.
There's the olive grove coming, which I really enjoyed last time you didn't, so that might
I
be a
did enjoy
contender.
it because I had the kebab thing.
Oh,
It was
okay.
nice, yeah. Like,
And we also have the limelight as well, which is a new one for us. So we shall see if Epicurean's going to win this trip.
yeah. The thing I've liked a lot in here is the service has been really attentive.
And really friendly as
Really
well.
friendly, yeah. It's nice to have a little conversation with the staff as well,
Yeah.
so it's been nice.
Yeah, I find the MDL's a little bit hit and miss.
Yeah. I think it's because they've got so many people to serve, whereas here it's a bit more intimate. Yeah.
Cool.